Hello everyone, welcome again back to the channel once more. I do apologize for the audio issues. It was very windy this day I made this video. Could not hardly hear me for the wind. Try to dub over it. We'll see how it goes. Please forgive me if it's crappy. As you can see here, I'm describing the system, so this is going to be a two-part video on this one, this build. I only got maybe half the system ready to go. Haven't got any of the plumbing yet. As you can see here, I got my tank already put where I wanted that, sump ready to put in. I do have some blocks laid around in various places to mark where I want to put the other grow beds and my support 2x6s that I have. I went ahead and cut these to length. About where I'm sitting at there, I left a 1 foot space between my left and right grow beds to get to my sump. That way I can clean the pump or whatever it needs to be done to it, and also get to the sides of these two beds. Be sure you leave your space all the way around your beds so you can get to everything that you need to get to, any maintenance and planting plants, removing plants, and harvesting. That way, if you don't do that, you can get to your whatever you planted. So my 2x6s that I cut, the two there are 3 foot 6 inches long. They go to the right front and left row beds are. Right behind that, going across almost the midpoint of the sump, I will have the 8-footer. You see it now. That goes from that supports both back parts of both the left and right bed. Right behind it, you also see another 2x6 I've already cut. This is a 5 foot 1 inch 2x6. This also supports the rear grow bed. Back support is 3 foot by 6. This back grow bed would probably be the old sump that I cut out. It's on the bottom part of the pallet, so you wouldn't need no middle supports. Left and right grow bed, because they just have the lid part of the tote on those, and they would need the extra support. And also I have to silicone seal these two lids also, that way they won't leak. You'll see here momentarily, I've got some blocks marking where that will go on this one here. You can see it briefly when I pan under the tote. Off to the very left of the left, I'm going to have my two other beds also. These will either be a raft system, or I may actually have another flood and drain grow bed there. It's according to how much more medium my fish is going to need. The requirement on fish that I can get is 100. Usually a 3 tote like this one without the other two beds is at least 60 fish. So I want to have a little bit more than 60 in this system. And I'm also opting maybe 2 different fish tanks and having 2 tanks of 50 also feeding the system. And both of these going into a biomass filter for the fish solids and stuff like that, uneaten food. I hope this helped anybody. Any questions, feel free to comment below or send me a direct email. Shout out to all the moms. Hope everybody had a wonderful Mother's Day. And part 2 will come up here soon when the wind comes. So I do apologize once again for this being a short video and the audio issues. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Any questions, feel free to send me a comment below. Once again, thanks for watching.